Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing all the products that truly stood out for me, my tried, tested and totally loved April favorites. Starting with someone I wore way too often this month, this black cord set. It's a matching pajama style shirt and pants with white floral print, and I'm obsessed with how easy yet put together it looks. It's comfortable, relaxed and breathable. Next is this Formularx Peptide Ceramide Moisturizer, which became my go-to this month. It's packed with peptides for forming and ceramides for restoring the skin barrier. I have been pairing it up with my serums and it just locks in everything so beautifully. My skin instantly feels plump, hydrated and glowing. It's lightweight, fragrance free and makeup sits like a dream over it. Definitely a keeper. For hair care, I tried the Love Beauty and Planet Bond Repair treatment and it's been a game changer for me. I use it once a week and every time I rinse it out, my hair feels noticeably stronger and smoother. It's infused with bond repairing actives which makes my hair so manageable, yet it doesn't weigh down my hair. Great for chemically treated hair or heat damaged strands, and honestly the scent is so calming and spa-like. Next is a makeup find, this Pack Cosmetic HD foundation. Now this one is a little bit warm tone for my skin, but I honestly love the coverage and finish. It gives medium to full depending on how you build it. It's one of those bases that make your skin look naturally flawless. The texture is creamy, blends easily with brush or sponge, and it literally doesn't oxidize on me. I honestly think it's a MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix Fluid Dew, especially for the price point. Next is a product that completely changed how I think about deodorants. This Juicy Chemistry Blood Orange and Geranium deodorant. I used to be skeptical about organic roll-ons, but this one neutralizes odor, keep me fresh all day, and is alcohol and aluminium free. It has that lovely soft citrusy scent that isn't overpowering and made with natural clay and plant oil that actually nourishes your underarm area. It's perfect for sensitive skin too. No skincare is completed without a sunscreen, and currently I'm using the Clayco Sunglaze sunscreen and it's been a daily skin armor for this month. It's SPF 50 PA+++, but it's still lightweight, non-greasy and leaves zero white cast. What I love most is it feels like a moisturizer plus sunscreen hybrid. It has probiotics and ceramide, so while it protects, it also strengthens the skin barrier, works beautifully under makeup and no peeling even in the heat. It's that skincare and sunscreen hybrid we all need this summer. And that's wrap up my April month favorite. If you have enjoyed, please consider subscribing my channel and I'll see you guys in the next one.